Good morning, Amanda. Yes, it is a little bit cooler once again as we head throughout our day today. So slightly below average type temperatures across the Maritimes for this morning. We are seeing continual cloud coverage as well as some precipitation coming through in certain areas of Nova Scotia and Prince Edward Island. Mostly sunny skies will be headed towards New Brunswick for today. But again, a few flurries hanging on, some showers as well. As we take a look here at our temperatures for today, we're looking at a high of 3 in Fredericton as well as in Charlottetown. A slightly higher temperatures over in Halifax at 4. Cooler temperatures. So if you are going outside today, make sure you are bringing that jacket because it's going to be a little bit chilly as we head throughout our day today. We're looking at below seasonal temperatures once again hanging around in our region. As we take a look here at our radar and satellite, a little bit of cloud coverage for most of Nova Scotia as well as Prince Edward Island, and then we are going to see mainly sunny conditions throughout New Brunswick for today. We do have a couple of watches and warnings to tell you about. So first, we'll look over at a special weather statement issued for parts of southeastern New Brunswick as well as Queens County, Prince Edward Island, and that is going to be between Friday afternoon during the high tide. They're expecting higher waves and higher water levels, so something to take into consideration as you head throughout the day. Over in Newfoundland and Labrador, we have a wreck house wind warning overnight into Friday morning. We have a freezing rain warning overnight into Friday. And we also have that rainfall warning continuing overnight into Friday. So again, something to take into consideration as you're going through your day. Just make sure you're always checking in on that Environment Canada website because they will have all the updates as we head throughout the day. Taking a look here at our temperatures, we're looking at a cooler start and a wind chill is in effect. But as we take a look mostly at our timeline, we're seeing those flurries hanging around parts of eastern parts of Nova Scotia and into Prince Edward Island. Then we start to see those kind of creeping into New Brunswick. Moncton could see some flurries continuing throughout the course of today, and then we'll see continuous wintry mix pushing through New Brunswick, and then the majority of rainfall into Nova Scotia and Prince Edward Island, as we can see over the next 24 hours. That's where the majority of that rain is going to be hanging around, as well as in to Newfoundland that continues to have that rainfall warning. As for our snow accumulation outlook, well, just mostly trace amounts, but again, staying in that Prince Edward Island, eastern parts of Nova Scotia, as well as that southeastern portion of New Brunswick for today. And we are, like I said, going to be contending again with those gusting winds as we head throughout our day today and into tonight. So it is going to continue to be a little bit windy out there as we head throughout our day. And looking right now at our sustained winds, we're already seeing those increases as well as those gusting winds continuing throughout the course of this morning. Now, looking at our current temperatures, cooler temperatures, like I said, mostly sunny up in New Brunswick. As we head over to Prince Edward Island, cloudy with that chance of flurries continuing. Same thing goes for Cape Breton, a little bit warmer over in Cape Breton, and then we see those cooler temperatures once again heading into western parts of Nova Scotia. Up in Labrador, we're looking at sunny conditions in Labrador City, but then that freezing rain warning, as well as that rainfall warning and that wind warning for Newfoundland.